Hey everyone, what's this fucking game? Exploding Kittens 2?
Yeah.
Yes, welcome to
Yeah.
Exploding Kittens 2. Um, this was Sharkbird 1. We got Element, Gray, Frosty, and Shelby U's coming in later.
Place card here.
Message me.
The one with the longest eyelashes goes first. You don't even
Well,
have eyelashes, you fuck.
it said crooked smile for me. Your turn. I don't like how the cards are like super far down where I can't read them. Yeah. What? It wasn't even. Why did you do that, Clarton? What the fuck? Nostradamus. What the? Stop and open. I'm playing over here.
What the Nope. Dude,
I don't know what I'm doing.
that rabbit has type 3 diabetes.
I don't know who I'm attacking. Oh my god.
My turn, finally.
I don't even know
What
what,
does
I
that
don't know what's going
mean?
What
on.
is the
What
goal
is-
of the game?
What did you attack?
Fire cat.
I have no idea what happened with that. I feel like I'm learning though.
Oh, it forces the next player to take 2 turns in a row.
Something tells me that running out of cards might not be a good thing. Maybe. Why would I want to give him turns? Portable cheetah butt. What's
What
that
is
do?
the end game? Maybe we should have played the tutorial.
No. I
Whoever
feel like
gets the exploding kitten is bad.
I'm learning a lot here. Nope. Wait, I don't have a nope. What the fuck?
Gray, is there hair in that bag of chips?
Many hairs. Okay, when your like character was going to draw a card, look, I was about to take a shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I guess so. Drawing, you skip a turn if you do that. I see.
My card element. Give it to me.
Here. I don't know what that does, so good luck with that.
Therapy. Oh, was it my turn still?
Yeah.
Think so? Ow.
What happened? Did he die?
You hurt me.
I hurt you?
He has to go
It says-
twice now.
Oh, did we lose like an HP every turn we go or something? And then we explode? Oh fuck, I have
Oh.
4x on me? That's probably bad, right?
I wonder if you explode if you run out of cards.
Give.
hell are you guys playing?
Shit, Gray has a target on him.
Wow, Element.
Oh,
Give a horsey ride to a horse. Okay.
Oh my.
Fuck you, Element. What?
Oh, why am I putting my hand out? Like, what does that even mean? Give a horsey ride to a horse and he gives me a card? What is it? I don't get that.
It's a favor, I guess. Favors.
It's like a gift. They give you a card.
Yeah.
Is it still my turn? How many turns I get?
He's
3
only-
more.
Just give me cards.
Bro got a turd.
I feel like it's good that I get to go a lot, right? I have no idea actually.
Should be. But I don't know.
How many turns do I get?
Bro,
Just give me all of them.
are those tits on the taco or the hands?
And
those are hand shirt. I just want to point out, I don't think Element has not gone in like the past 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, what the?
I feel like I'm winning, but I have no idea. Uh-oh. That's the only one I had. Does that mean I lose?
Maybe.
Oh god, it's times
times
6.
6.
Oh, I think maybe the way it goes is that if you draw the exploding kitten, you lose, right? So going more turns means eventually you have to draw. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Sure.
What's the battery? I mean,
I don't know what that is.
Where's 20%? Maybe that's what if it gets to 100 it blows up. But I'm not sure what the attacks do. It's like making more turns seems like it's bad. But I feel like I'm doing great.
I reported them to the group that they ordered from on Discord.
What happened?
Do I have to do something?
I have no idea. So I guess Frosty's okay because he had a defuse card.
Did we just get reported? Are we on
No,
the
no, no,
government
no.
watch list?
Sorry. I bought a boost for a friend and they asked me to tank. And I was like, okay, whatever. And then mid-run, and then they brought in another tank and asked me to DPS. Then had the audacity to complain that my DPS was low. And then charged me an extra 50k to not just scrap the run and keep all the gold.
What's fucked up?
If you pay for a carry, they have to provide the fucking shit.
Yeah, I know. But it wasn't for me. It was for a buddy, and they were just like, they were having a hard time getting someone to help. And so they asked me to help. Whatever. I'm not butthurt about it. I just, they said that they were going to remove them from the Discord boosting service that they were on. So it hurts them more than it hurt me.
What's happening?
He's asking the goat.
He gets to look at the top 3.
I guess that's good for knowing if there's a exploding kitten in there. I'm not sure what happens if you pull one without a defuse card. I'm about to find out though.
Sorry, Element.
Well, see, as it turns out, me giving Shark my defuse card what killed me.
Oh, R.I.P. Element.
This game's pretty fun.
It is.
We didn't need a tutorial. We figured it out already.
Speak for yourself, man. I don't know what's happening. I guess I gotta draw a card. Back here.
Ask for a back hair shampoo.
Are those bats farting?
Yeah. A plague of bat farts descends from the sky. Another shuffle. I guess that'd be like super
25%
good.
chance to get one.
Well, shouldn't you have seen the future first, Clarton? Because you could have seen if there's a bomb, and if there was, then shuffle.
Oh, Elmer, are you dead?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I drew the bomb and I didn't have the diffuse card.
Oh, Element. Why would you draw the bomb?
Yeah. It's because I gave Shark my defuse card. Because I didn't know what it did.
Is Chris has 40% chance.
Oh, that's what that means? I thought... Oh, rip. But wait, he has to have a diffuse card. That's the one I... Wait, I don't think that's the one I gave him, actually. Maybe... No, it is the one I gave him. Does that mean everyone has a 50% chance to draw the exploding kitten? Maybe it's
think
because...
so.
Maybe it's because when you thin the deck, the probability goes up. Because naturally, there's less cards besides the exploding one. Like that. Everyone just happens to have one except for me. I think Frosty had like 3 of them. Oh, that poor cat. He had a bomb in his mouth. You see that?
Don't worry, he still has
Come
8
on.
lives.
Uh-oh.
So it's just me and...
Oh no, he turned into a refrigerator. Now it's only 50% chance. Oh, and that's... Yep, it is probability percent. Ruh-roh. Oh, he had a defuse. That means... I don't know what that means, actually. Does that mean both
It
of
means
you
I'm
win?
cooked.
Oh, no, the card goes
I
back.
wonder which one. I wonder what it could be. I wonder what it could be.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
I win.
fuck you.
Fuck you.
Okay, how do you play this?
We don't know.
Okay.
I know how to play it. I figured it out last game.
Play-Doh?
I was also the first one to die.
I also won.
So you learned
and
how to
I
play
have-
it. But not well.
I won, and I have no idea how to play this game.
So you get a diffuse card. You basically don't want to lose that diffuse card.
Which is the first thing I did.
The one who questions their life choices the most goes first.
So you see that thing to the left of the cards?
Yeah.
So there's a card that explodes if you pick it, if you don't have a diffuse card. So right now we have a 16% chance in picking that card.
Okay.
So you don't want to get that card or you go boom.
To go with the boom boom.
And going
if
to
you
0
did that-
cards does not win you the game.
Yeah.
Oh, well, listen. Do I have to pick?
Wait, so if there's the boom
I didn't
card,
realize
do
I
you
had to
just
pick.
place the diffuse card or no?
Yes. So if you don't have a diffuse card, you go boom.
And every time a card gets drawn, the chance of drawing the exploding card goes up because
Oh.
you're thinning the deck.
Because there's less cards.
I don't know this for sure, but I think Osama bin Laden funded this game.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Can I say that, Shark?
No.
You might
Uh,
want to take the dead.
He's
view.
dead. I'm just gonna pick a card. I don't know
Yeah,
what's
he's-
happening.
I mean, he's not wrong.
He's not wrong.
So does it matter what cards I place? Oh, what the
Well,
fuck?
some of them do like the tap
Unleash
card
the
makes you draw
Catarochy.
or makes you
You have to
have
go
more
two times
turns.
in two
Yeah.
turns.
So now you essentially have a 36% chance again. Fuck.
Yeah, because you have to.
Do
I think
have to
each
ice a
time.
card and then pull a card.
I think when you draw, that's considered a turn.
Yeah, if you draw, it's considered a turn.
What the fuck? This got me 4 times.
Why did you hurt Element?
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Fire the Crabapple.
Poor Element.
I'm just passing. Wait, what the fuck? There only just
You
one.
have 3 more.
You have 3 more, bud.
I thought it was like I thought I had to attack. Hang on, I gotta do this then.
Keep pulling. Oh god.
Dude, that card is goaded.
Do you get to reorder them too, or no? Just look at them.
I just look at them. They don't get reordered. It's the same cards.
Oh.
So I just top deck 3 of them and knew they were all fine. Don't even need to play any of my cards. I could nope that, but I'm not.
Oof.
Beard cat. Okay.
Good luck, Shelby.
And you can't use the basic cards unless you have 2 of a kind or 3 of a kind.
If that was a planet, what would it be called?
Watermelon.
The fuck element.
I wanted it. Dang, I dodged a bullet there. I'll give an emote to tell everyone how I feel.
Oh, fuck.
Sorry. Gotta take the risk like the rest of us.
Damn.
Damn.
It's pretty fucked up.
Emote perfectly illustrates my feelings.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck?
Sorry, Shelbs. But you must be gone.
So if you play another attack, it keeps going. So then Element would have had 4. And then if
Yeah, you
Element plays
can.
one, then Shark has 6. And
Does it pass
keeps
along
stacking.
hers?
It
Oh,
keeps,
shit.
I'm not
It
gonna
keeps
do
It was like
that.
Uno.
Oh, no. Do you have a diffuse? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Dude, that cat's
used
farting in
me
her
at 3
face.
a.m. flatulence.
That's me every night, sadly.
And you have 2 cats, so just doing it to you like there's double teaming.
Oh, no. Only one sleeps on me. The other one sleeps at
Oh.
the side of the bed.
Oof.
Oh, Shelby.
Hit the 1 and 4 both times.
She has 2?
Dang.
What the fuck?
Do you see what that card says? Endure blood and oh. Fuck you,
Nope,
Element.
not
Rub-
anymore.
Peanut butter on. I hope you like turds.
Damn.
Oh, hell yeah.
Who has the most cards? Come on.
I hope you like the
I love
same
how
cards
I-
you just gave me.
Ah, damn it.
The turd
I
cat.
wanted to see what my 3 of a kind did.
Damn.
I hope you like this rainbow cat.
Give me something
You
good.
got-
Come
What?
on,
It didn't let me.
you bitch.
How many of those do you have? It's like giving him my whole deck or hand.
Give me a card, sweetheart.
Fuck off.
Good girl.
Jesus Christ.
Fuck, now I gotta pull. Oh, thank goodness.
33% chance to pull one.
I'm gonna take my chances.
Element.
I'm taking the chance.
You have to. Oh, God.
What do you mean I have to?
Rub the belly of a pig of corn.
That is terrible. I hate that.
When we first met Shelby, that's what I thought she was gonna look like with corn pig.
What the fuck? Why?
I just got that vibe from you. Oh,
That's so
shark.
mean.
Oh no!
How the mighty have fallen.
Mm-hmm. I'm dead now. I'm a dead cat.
That's
Dead
so
cat.
sad.
That is sad.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
There's 2 more in there.
Quick math.
Feast upon a unicorn enchilada and gain
Fucking-
its enchilada powers.
What the fuck?
What?
I'm sorry, Shelby. Oh, no. Shelby, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Element would have pulled it. Oh, no.
No, I'm
Yo.
probably gonna pull it. Oh, no. Now you don't know.
Oh, Element.
Now nobody knows.
It's 1 and 3. There's no way I lose.
Okay.
Oh, my God. Can I put down any of these cards? No.
If
Yeah,
we
how
have
you
2
do
of a
that?
kind or 3 of a kind.
Oh, thank God. Oh, Shelby.
Uh-oh.
It's 1 and 2.
I'm gonna murder you.
Oh, no.
What the hell? Well, 1 and 2 I can't lose.
I'm sorry.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Do you have another one?
What do you mean?
Do you have you're gonna have to pull again, aren't you?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't put it on the top.
Oh, Element, you're a dog, you know that?
It's the hyper goat.
Oh.
Via laser pointer.
What the
Sorry, Element. Oh, no. How many of those do you have?
YOLO.
We're about to find out.
Uh-oh.
66% chance.
What the fuck?
Those last 2 are bombs.
What the
Oh.
How many of these do you have?
Gray has 7 cards, so I think he's okay.
It's 100%. What is that gonna do?
Where the last two cards are the exploding cards.
Keep ass.
But you have 7 cards with a single diffuse, alright.
No.
Well, I didn't know attack skipped my turn. That's good to know.
God damn it. Well,
It is good to
use the
know.
element.
R.I.P. Shelby.
And the cat survives every time.
I did it, guys.
Yay.
Yay! It's so annoying.
Holy shit.
This game has seasons.
I almost took a drink of water out of my fucking mic.
What?
Shit. I almost grabbed my mic thinking that it was a water bottle,
Woman moment.
Was it good?
and it definitely was not. Fuck off. Well, in my defense, I usually keep my water
That
bottle.
was out of nowhere. Shelby caught a stray there.
No. Kind of mean.
I'm sorry. But you are a
It's okay.
woman, and that was a moment.
You are right. What
Bro.
the fuck did you just send me?
The
No.
shit I am seeing on Instagram.
Why are you sending this to me?
I thought you'd like it. Did you?
Hey,
Is she
shouldn't
going
that
through
be
labor right
me?
now?
I believe in the most conspiracy theories.
For me, it said the one most likely to join a cult. Oh my god, what are the odds? The first card.
Bro, there's no way.
That sucks.
What the shit?
Honestly, I would have drawn first as well. Like, there's no better time.
There's no
Oh my-
way.
Okay, well, he could put it on the top though, couldn't he?
Oh yeah, that's true. Great, don't be a dick and put it on the top.
That's exactly what he's gonna. Everyone is gonna put it on the top. I mean, I did say it was gonna happen, didn't I?
We probably put it on the fucking top.
The shit.
Maybe I
Get
put
rid
it on
of
the top,
everybody's
too. Maybe-
diffused.
I'm just kidding. I
Frosty,
wouldn't
you're an
do that to
asshole
you.
for that.
Thank you for not being a dick, Shark.
No problem.
We got rid of
Okay,
3 of
no
them. Why not
problem.
get rid of the other 2?
I know, Shark. You just gave one of them the win, probably.
I'm gonna give you a card.
Who bad?
Fuck off.
Excuse you.
Sorry.
Thank you for an open.
You're welcome.
I can keep my taco cat.
Do it.
Good boy.
He stole my taco cat. All I have is catermelon.
Fudge.
Shark.
That's a new one.
Oh, that is the new one.
Oh no.
Oh no.
That is so sad.
It really is sad.
I
Poor
could
Shark.
have skipped my turn and done all that, but I'm like, there's no way it would be that in there right now. Shit.
That was a new one too. We didn't get to move that one around.
I'm gonna take
What's
this
the
chance.
exploding cat? The space one?
Yeah.
No, we've seen that card before.
No, it was the boat.
No, but like,
Really?
it wasn't one that they put back in.
Oh.
Sorry, shelves. R.I.P.
No.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
element.
Please.
I'm not. You want the cat back?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold on to him, and I'm gonna do. Here.
It's gonna
You can have
hold
that
on to
thing.
him hostage.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm taking my taco back.
Fucking turd.
Wait, I can't. Okay, wait. Oh, fuck.
Bro, your turd has an asshole. Did you see that? Oh, never mind.
Element, I will not give you this taco back. I don't think you understand. You are not getting the taco back.
Fuck.
Wait, those aren't using. Oh. I was like, everything he played didn't do a turn.
I know it did. He's gonna.
You seem good so far.
Oh boy.
Is that gonna work in your favor by shooting the ass?
Nah.
Oh, look, the boat's back.
I definitely did not put it at the top. That's not why I used the skip. No.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
Okay, well.
Fuck.
Oh.
Oh no.
At least your cat's going down with me, Element.
No. I
Welcome
don't want to
to
talk
the
about
club.
it.
You don't want to talk about it?
Yeah.
Taco about it?
Let's see. I wouldn't mind getting a little something. Take that. Nope. YOLO.
What the fuck? Fuck you.
Feed your opponent a nope sandwich with extra nope sauce.
Is that the pink sauce? Did anyone try that?
I'm gonna go pee. No, I didn't.
Pink sauce and Walmart.
Yeah.
The stuff that I recall for botulism.
Yeah.
I'll take the 1 and 4. What the fuck?
No, I did not put it on the top.
I shuffled it anyways, so I probably fucked myself and
Is it legal to fuck yourself?
I don't see why not. How are they gonna stop me? Wait, what the fuck? Had to go twice? There's no way it happens again.
I'm sorry.
I'll just take a defuse card, no big deal. What? No! There's no way this shuffle has to work, yeah. I don't lose the 28%.
Oh fuck.
So, Shark, what's it like being dead?
There's a shortage of chairs.
I'm sorry, Frosty.
Oh no, poor Frosty. Fuck you asking me one for?
Oh no.
Meow, meow,
Shelby,
meow,
don't let this asshole win 2 in a
meow,
row.
meow, meow, meow.
He's going to.
What are you talking about?
No,
I
he's
died.
not. Not you, Element.
He's going to because I have to draw. Yeah, same.
No, Shelby, no. Shelby! Oh, she's dead.
I should have skipped too.
Damn, I got.
You know, at least I didn't get 5th.
Hey, wait a minute.
Shark got like
I
extremely
fifth.
unlucky. He got so unlucky.
Round again.
And this is annoying.
Having to re-invite.
Yeah.
Here, hold on. Don't. Well, I'm not gonna ready up. I'll be right back. I gotta. Oh.
Yeah, I'll be right
It's
back
just
as well.
fucking- Huh? What was that? Yeah, I'll be right back.
Bada boom, bada boom.
What was that?
Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom.
Cholesterol you said was a little elevated. Hi.
One of the like the good ones low. Or the thought to be good one.
Like a good cholesterol.
The saltiest one goes first.
The wrinkliest ball.
There's no way Shelby's not going first.
Well,
Fuck
you're the
you,
chip
Chris.
bag, so you're the saltiest one.
Mine said whoever has the
Yeah,
most
there can
wrinkliest
only
ball
be
set
one.
goes first.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, it's my turn.
So do you feel better now, Frosty?
Hello.
Yeah.
Good, 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 good. I'm
We're
glad.
glad, Frosty.
Yeah, Ginger said that's good too. I don't know if you heard him. Sorry.
Yes, that's good.
That's the all-seeing goat wizard.
Do you notice that your hands are unique to your costume? Fuck.
What?
Did you see that when your hand goes out? It's unique to your costume.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. Shark, you better put it on the top. I would have.
Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I put it at the very bottom.
Why would you put it at the bottom?
I said maybe I
I
did.
trust Shark.
Damn it.
Mhm.
Are you gonna trust him? How do you get more diffuse cards?
You just
gotta
have to draw
pick
them.
'em up.
Or steal them.
Did someone leave?
Gentry.
Gentry.
No,
Fucking
Gentry
You're
mind.
muted, bud. Unfortunate.
Fine. Take good care of my taco cat.
Gosh darn, I hope you like. Oh, do you just pick a random one?
Sure.
What was that? I thought I had to give you one.
I don't know. He just like twirled his finger at me. Or like,
Chris, you're a dick.
What happened?
He did it to me.
Chris put that on the very top.
So I guarantee you, so did Frosty. I know.
It's a different one.
No, it's a different one.
Oh, shark!
I should've
no.
skipped. Fuck. What is skipped?
There's no way it happens again, right? What the fuck?
Oh, it does.
He put it as the second one.
No.
No, that's a different one too.
There were 3 in a row.
Oh my
And I did the like all seeing eye. I was like, oh fuck no. Oh. Frosty, I swear to God.
Hey, does catnip taste good?
Oh no.
Like, is it
I have no
catnip?
idea.
Could it be a human thing? Is there a human version of catnip? And don't say crack cocaine. That doesn't count.
Weed?
Oh man, are you kidding me?
I would say weed, yeah.
I don't know. Weed smells bad though.
I mean, catnip smells bad too.
Well, it smells good to cats.
Have you ever smelled catnip?
My taco cat.
No,
It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't smell
He
great.
played it.
I'm sure to cats it smells like the best fucking thing that's ever been
What
invented.
the fuck, Frosty?
Yeah, why does your taco have tits?
Oh no.
Fucking payback, you son of a bitch.
How does he have another one?
Because he stole mine.
I want to steal it.
Hey, they were fanned out. I had to pick it. I didn't get to see it.
Shelby.
No.
I'm sorry.
That's
I'm
mean.
sorry, Chris. I was hoping you would double it up and give it to
Well, well,
Frosty.
well. Look who decided to step in 4th place again.
Fuck you, shark.
Uh-oh.
Oh
Fucking
no,
pig.
everyone's gone.
Carpism.
I feel like the same thing is happening again. Right? Like,
I didn't have anything. All my cards are gone.
is Element gonna win 3 times in a row?
There's no way.
Taco cat? Ah, fuck. Well, 9%. I'll give it a go. Here we go.
There's only one more left.
Wait, did they shuffle it all before I died?
I have
No.
no idea.
Oh, okay. I know where that card is.
What the hell?
Is that someone cracking open a soda? Or is that the game?
It's the game. Keep feeling my phone's going off and the phone vibrates on the table.
I don't hear that.
Dang.
Do 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 do.
Shelby's about to finesse her way out of this one.
Like I said earlier, I know exactly where that fucking card is. Oh no, wait. Oh wow. Okay. I didn't realize she'd still have one of those.
What does he? Oh no. Does she have another one?
It's what decides it all. My God. Cheetah butt.
There's no way he has another one.
Fucking A element.
R.I.P. Element.
Cheetah butt.
At least I didn't get fifth. Again.
Ironically, it's put back to the home screen.
Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I love you.